Welcome to the channel of Accelerating Physics. In this video, we are going to learn one of the most important equations from quantum physics, which is known as Schrodinger's time independent wave equation. This is the very famous quote by Richard Feynman. I think I can safely say that nobody understands quantum mechanics. Now, can you imagine the world without laser or transistors? Quantum mechanics in general has an enormous number of applications. The two most important applications are probably the laser and the transistor. We would be stuck in the vacuum tube age, meaning no computers of any reasonable speed or size or cost, and no internet. And I need not make a list of the applications of the laser. In modern technology, consist of applications of quantum mechanics, MRI, PET, and other nuclear medicine impossible without quantum mechanics. Now, Australian physicist Schrödinger was a noted theoretical physicist and scholar who came up with a groundbreaking wave equation for electron movements. He was awarded Nobel Prize in 1933. Now, what is this famous Schrödinger equation? Now, before going for the derivation of equation, we will see the applications of Schrödinger wave equation first. Schrödinger wave equation is the basis of wave mechanical model which helps in studying the structure of the atom, and as the name suggests, it shows all the wave-like properties of matter. To determine the wave function of a given particle and probabilities of processes. Now let us start with the derivation for time independent wave equation. For this, we have to consider a system of stationary waves associated with a particle. Let x, y and z be the coordinates of the particle, and psi is the wave displacement for the de Broglie's wave at any time t. The classical differential equation of a wave motion is given by equation 1. It is dou 2 psi upon dou t square equal to v square into bracket dou 2 psi upon dou x square plus dou 2 psi upon dou y square plus dou 2 psi upon dou z square, which is equal to v square into del square psi, where del square equal to dou 2 upon dou x square plus dou 2 upon dou y square plus dou 2 upon dou z square. Del square is the Laplacian operator and v is the wave velocity. The solution of classical differential equation gives psi as a periodic displacement in terms of time. So psi, which is a function of x, y, z and t, equal to psi 0, which is the function of x, y, z e raised to power I omega t, where psi 0, which is the function of x, y, z, can be given as, in polar coordinates, it can be represented as psi, which is a function of r comma t, equal to psi 0 e raised to power I omega t. Differentiating above equation twice, we get dou 2 psi upon dou t square equal to minus omega square into psi 0 e raised to power minus I omega t, which is equal to minus omega square psi. Here we have substituted the value of psi as psi 0 e raised to power minus I omega t. Now substituting the value of dou 2 psi upon dou t square in equation 1, we get dou 2 psi upon dou x square plus dou 2 psi upon dou y square plus dou 2 psi upon dou z square plus omega square upon v square into psi equal to 0. But we know that omega equal to 2 pi nu, which is omega is called as angular velocity and nu is the frequency of the wave. This nu can be represented as v upon lambda, where v is the velocity of the wave and lambda equal to the wavelength of the wave. So in other words, omega upon v equal to 2 pi upon lambda. Now substituting the value of omega upon v In equation 2, we get dou 2 psi upon dou x square plus dou 2 psi upon dou y square plus dou 2 psi upon dou z square plus 4 pi square upon lambda square into psi equal to 0. Now, or we can write del square psi. We are going to minimize the equation. Del square psi plus 4 pi square upon lambda square into psi equal to 0. From de Broglie's relation, lambda equal to h upon mv, where mv is the momentum and h is Planck's constant. So del square psi plus 4 pi square upon h square into m square v square into psi equal to 0. This m square v square we got from lambda square, as it is h square upon m square into v square. This value we have substituted at this place. Therefore, it is equal to 0. If E is the total energy and V is the potential energy, then the kinetic energy half mv square is given by half mv square equal to E minus V multiplying by m, this m on both the sides, and shifting this 2 to the right hand side, we get m square v square equal to twice m into bracket E minus V. From above equations, we can write del square psi plus 4 pi square upon h square, this we have taken as it is, into twice m inside the bracket E minus V into psi equal to 0. Now the final equation is del square psi plus 8 pi square m upon h square into bracket E minus V upon into psi equal to 0. This equation is known as Schrodinger's time independent wave equation, which can be used for the derivation of Schrodinger's time dependent wave equation. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.